Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to discuss Norton's clipper blade series, starting with the table saw and miter saw blade. So Norton's new clipper series for wood cutting, it's a new line for them in the clipper series, and is available in a 10-inch table saw or miter saw blade. This one just happens to be 260 millimeters with a 30 millimeter arbor for the Kapex saw from Festool. You're going to get reliable cutting power with this blade, long-lasting life, everything that you would come to expect from Norton. I know we're all familiar with Norton's abrasives, their screens, their pads, their belts. You name it, the discs. They've really come a long way with all of their offering for the hardwood flooring industry, and now they've just stepped it up again with the clipper series. So if you have any questions about the Norton clipper series, specifically with the miter box or the table saw blades, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to cityfloorsupply.com.